title, How to Use Zapier Email Parser Script. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to use Zapier's email parser to extract important details from your emails and use them in automated workflows. First, open your browser and log in to your Zapier account. In the search bar, type Email Parser by Zapier and select it from the list of available apps. Next, click Create Mailbox. Zapier will generate a unique email address for you. Any email sent to this address will be scanned and specific details can be pulled out automatically. Now go to your regular email service and forward a sample email to the unique address provided by Zapier. Once it arrives, open it inside the email parser dashboard. Highlight the exact information you want Zapier to capture, like names, dates, or order numbers, then assign each highlighted section a label. This will train Zapier to extract the same type of information from similar emails in the future. Once your parsing template is ready, go back to the main Zapier dashboard. Create a new Zap and set Email Parser by Zapier as your trigger. Choose the mailbox you just created, and then select an action app where you want this data sent. For example, Google Sheets, Trello, or Slack. Finally, test your Zap to confirm the details are being captured correctly. If everything works, click Publish Zap. From now on, any email that matches your template will be processed automatically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.